As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, right? The Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Weber Genesis E-325. Quite a difference in price, huh?
Yeah, definitely. The Charbroil is super affordable at around $150, while the Weber is a hefty $850. So what are we actually getting for that extra cash?
Well, size is a big one. The Charbroil is portable, only 20 pounds, with a cooking area of 200 square inches. Perfect for tailgating or camping.
Right, it's the Grill2Go, makes sense. The Weber, on the other hand, is a full-sized grill at 188 pounds, with a massive 641 square inches of cooking space. Think family barbecues, not just grilling on the go.
Exactly. And the Weber has 3 burners, plus an extra-large sear zone for getting that perfect crust on your steaks. The Charbroil only has 1 burner putting out 9,500 BTUs.
So the Weber's all about consistent heat and even cooking. It uses something called a PureBlu burner system. The Charbroil has TRU-Infrared cooking, which aims to eliminate flare-ups.
Both claim to distribute heat evenly, but the Weber's got those porcelain-enameled cast-iron grates, which are known for retaining heat really well. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates.
Durability could be a factor too. The Weber's built with porcelain-enameled cast iron and stainless steel. The Charbroil seems to have more painted steel, which might not hold up as well over time, especially if you're tossing it around.
Good point. And the Weber has a grease management system, which is always a plus for easy cleanup. The Charbroil just has a removable grease tray.
The Weber has other features too, like the Weber crafted outdoor kitchen collection cooking grates for adding accessories.
So basically, if you need a portable, budget-friendly grill for occasional use, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 is a solid choice. But if you're serious about grilling, need a lot of space, and want features that will last, the Weber Genesis E325 is the way to go, even with that higher price tag.
Yeah, it's a classic case of you get what you pay for. One's a grab and go, the other is a backyard centerpiece.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.